Hello viewers, welcome to India Today. This is Maruti Acharya.
And I am Sanjay Ponappa.
And we just completed watching the special show of the Pongal release Game Changer.
The first Pongal release.
Yeah, the first Pongal release Game Changer starring Ram Charan, Kiara Advani, Anjali, S.J. Surya, Shrikant.
A lot of artists. It's a huge cast. Yeah.
Yes, and the movie is directed by Shankar and
Yes.
music by Taman, produced by Dil Raju.
You can also see the celebration happening in the background. All of this has been covered. A video on this will also be out on the channel, so make sure to check that out as well.
Yeah, considering the circumstances that we are standing in, it's very tricky to give this review, but we took that leap of faith and step and we decided to give our honest review. So Sanjay, your one line about the movie.
See, it's an entertainer which has a lot of disturbances in the film. And
Okay.
if not for those disturbances, this could have been a really good entertainer. Otherwise, this turns out to be a, an entertainer that could entertain people. All the fans will surely be entertained, but the rest is a big question mark.
Yes, my one line would be, I am really impressed with Ram Charan. He is like 90% clouded in my memory. But with Shankar sir, why? Just why?
Firstly, what I liked about the film the most is that it is unabashedly an entertaining film. It doesn't compromise on the fact that it wants to entertain the people. There are certain choices made just to make sure that all people are entertained. From all masses, they are entertained. That might work for some people, that might not. But then, the choice to make this a proper entertainer, in contrast to everything else where it goes towards the preachy side, is a good choice, is what I liked in the film.
The entertainment aspect of it, like Sanjay mentioned, might be a total hit and miss. But what keeps you hooked to the movie is Ram Charan, his performance and conviction, especially in the flashback portion. This performance is very special for a lot of reasons. It was really good, and Ram Charan was actually pulling the weight of the entire movie. Otherwise, a very slow and disappointing film.
As an IAS officer, as someone, an activist who's there, who's the father, who's the son, what is he going to do, all the unpredictable things that he does in the second half, all of that is there, and that is the major chunk of the film. While S.J. Surya also plays a very significant role in especially making Ram Charan look as good as he does in the film. So kudos to S.J. Surya as well.
Correct.
Again, just like in the trailer, the teaser, just the mere presence of S.J. Surya is enough to make him
Yeah.
look like a very menacing villain. All the other characters, they needed an establishing introduction which was not there in the film. But S.J. Surya, even though it wasn't there, he gets totally established, and that is the beauty of the actor.
But the major problem, not just with the performances, but with most of the crafts in the movie, especially the judgment call, is with director Shankar. The Shankar mark is written all over. Again, but this time also it is on the negative side. The forced comedy tracks, especially the thing that was bugging me more is the plot points that Shankar has taken for this movie are very interesting on paper. It would have been a blast in theatre if executed well. But it felt like the maker didn't have faith in his own concept. He was forcing in a lot of commercial elements, entertainment aspects, which are legit not fitting into the narrative. But he was forcing it. Some elements which are supposed to be fun are not fun. We want the serious parts because they're really good. The ideas on paper are really good. The reason why Tom and Jerry is nice is because Tom and Jerry both have character, story, depth. Here it is just Ram Charan killing. I had this problem with Pushpa also. It feels very flat. The villain is just frustrated all the time, and because it is S.J. Surya and he has been doing that for a while, I personally felt they could have handled that character a little better.
I totally agree with your frustration. This is where my first opening liner comes, where although Shankar excels in some parts, he also is his own drawback in some parts, because right from the get-go, you can see that this whole film, the whole frame, has this Shankar mark.
Yeah.
And that mark carries throughout, be it the good or the bad. Everything that was criticized from Indian 2 was minimalized.
Yeah.
But then the basic
It's there.
structure and format was still like that only. And it might work for some people, it might not. But personally, there were instances where we were taking opposite sides. I was saying that this is entertaining, it can't be totally bad, it isn't Indian 2. But there were also instances where I was feeling like this part didn't have to be there. It could have been chopped. The film for sure could have been a lot more crisper if not for all the extra distractions, technicalities. Again, it is a mixed reaction here as well. In some parts, the technicalities, all the graphics, all the CG, everything is used beautifully to bring out a lot of creativeness and innovative ideas have been presented in the film. At the same time, there are moments where these very innovative ideas seem like a drawback because it seems very caricaturish and childish and doesn't suit the kind of mood that the emotions in the film is playing. So it feels like a double-edged sword where Shankar chose to use some technicalities here as well as there, and some places it lands, some places it doesn't.
Yes, so the screenplay, the story, editing, lot of things are pulling the movie back. But again, another unpopular opinion, lot of people criticize Taman for his music. But after watching the movie, I feel like you will have a different opinion, both with songs.
This
and
is the slow poison.
Yeah, it was really good. He was pulling the weight of the movie. One is Ramcharan and other is Taman. Definitely. Taman music, especially the background score, really worked for me personally. Was doing most of the heavy lifting in the otherwise dully executed scenes. Mostly in the first half. The first half screenplay was, I don't know how to call it.
Shankar sir, although gave a better product than Indian 2,
Yeah.
that is not where you should be compared.
Yeah, it
He
is
is a
started-
legend of Indian cinema, so the comparison should be somewhere up there, not over here.
It is an entertaining film. It is all about how you prepare your mind when you're entering the theatre. But if you want Shankar style of movie, if you want after RRR, Ramcharan movie and all of that, you might be slightly disappointed.
Yeah.
So if you manage your expectations, there is a high chance that you might enjoy this movie.
Yes, I second that. Again, managing the expectations is the key thing. This is the festive season. All the families want to go and watch movies. If you're just there to enjoy a film, not expecting anything, not carrying an RRR, not carrying an Indian 2 or even an Indian comparison, none of it. Shankar, Ramcharan, none, no expect, just go sit in the theater and enjoy the film. Game changer, could be a really good game for you to watch.
And the idea of this review is not to get into a lot of technical details. It's like two friends who come out of the theater and talk about, hey, how did you feel about the movie? The
Yes.
initial thoughts, that is the idea. I hope you're liking it. If yes, hit the like button so that we understand you're liking it. And for more videos, please do subscribe to our channel. Celebrations, public reaction, our reviews, all of that is on the channel. Check all of that as well. With that, this is Maruti Acharya
And I am Sanjay Ponnappa.
and you're watching India Today.